Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you want to get like Soundbar Pro 2.1, like what you can actually expect from it, and what is like important. No app control, so the soundbar cannot be controlled by any app. This is important. And the Bluetooth can have also like issues, so that's like very important. And then another thing is that it only got HDMI ARC, not eARC. Very important. So it's ARC only, no eARC. It means you won't get loses high bitrate audio formats. Also, when we check here for the Dolby Atmos, so you're right here that you have like Dolby audio. That's important that you actually get it there. And also getting sound to work requires specific TV audio settings, so something to be aware of, and limited global availability. So that's like another thing is like if you can actually get it in your country. Now of course is that you have like wireless subwoofer included, Dolby audio, 6 sound modes, that's great when you actually have it available. Solid connectivity option with HDMI ARC, and you know, see right here like NFC for audio transmission. So it's a good product, just want to make you like important things to be aware of. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day.